This is a quick tutorial to show you how to set the white balance on a Panasonic Lumix G5. So once the camera's been converted to full spectrum and you want to use filters with it, or if you want to use infrared light and get a nice balanced colour at night, you'll need to flip it out of auto mode and put it in one of the actual feature modes, like so function mode. So you've got port P, which is program mode, aperture, shutter, and then manual. So we usually set it on P. It gives you a little bit of advanced features over auto, and then we're looking for this, pressing the right on the joystick button to get the white balance menu. So if we press that, we get up this menu, and what we want to do is select one of these modes. So if we press up, you'll see it says white set. Do that again. Oh, I think it's because I think it's touch. Is it? No, it's not. So it's up button, and then you'll get the box. So once you get this little box, point it towards something grey, pavement, road, green grass. That's what we usually find best. And press that. You'll need a memory card in. I've actually got one at the moment. And then that'll take the reading and it will store it. Then you can use your quick menu, which is the Q menu there. And then if you use left and right, you can flip through the menus at the top. And where you see, you can actually go up then and then select the different type white balances, including the two white balances there if you want to utilise them that way. Or again, you can press right again through the white balance. We can select the presets and different settings just there.